looking at her laptop for school.
After lots of checks, an MRI scan revealed that Tilly had a rare tumour inside her brain.
The first time that I went in, everything was just rushed on me, and all the operations just happened straight away. The hospital nurses and staff, they really helped, especially the play specialists have helped distract me.
Tilly's mum and dad couldn't be with her at the same time in the hospital due to COVID restrictions, which was really difficult for Tilly and her parents.
The medical staff must have, find it quite hard to say that only one of us could be in there. It's not an easy thing for them to do. It was difficult when it was something like a major thing, and I felt like I needed to be in the room with Jay to hear it, or I felt like I wanted Jay to be in the room when I was listening to it, just because there's so much information.
Yeah.
The experience really took its toll on Tilly's mental health.
It was really hard because I already struggle with anxiety, and I was struggling quite a lot.
Yeah. There's just those things where we just forget sometimes that she's only 12 years old.
Do you feel proud of yourself?
Yeah, definitely, because everything that I've been through is quite a lot for me.
Tilly has this advice for other children going through the same thing.
I would say that it's not going to be like this your whole life, so if it's now, then you just make the most of being this strong and try and get through it as much as you can.
Oh, wise words from such a young girl. Tilly, we wish you all the best. Time for the weather now. Kay, better times ahead.
Better times ahead, yes. Couldn't get any worse than yesterday,
no.
Could it? Yeah, we had a very wet day yesterday. It was raining stair rods for some yesterday afternoon. We had a den building and movie afternoon in our household because we were looking out the window at this for much of the day. But it wasn't the case for all of us. You can see on yesterday's radar picture, it was northern parts of Nottinghamshire and Derbyshire really in the line of fire. We had a conveyor belt of shower after shower piling in here. But further south, across parts of Leicestershire and Rutland, probably wondering what all the fuss was about. Hardly a drop here. But unfortunately, yes, Trent Bridge really bore the brunt, so no wonder there was no play at the cricket yesterday. We had almost an inch of rain falling here in just a few hours, which is over a third of the average rainfall for the entire month. Thankfully, though, yes, things are improving and looking up for the rest of this week. The area of low pressure, that is moving away now. We'll replace it with a ridge of high pressure, which will bring some settled weather for this coming week and perhaps a return of something a little bit more summery. Now, we did see some brighter weather today, but we have seen some showers pushing in this evening. These are on the lively side and they will continue into the evening and through much of the night as well. Finally clearing away, though, by the end of the night, leaving a legacy of cloud and those temperatures dropping to around 12 or 13 degrees. So we start the day dry tomorrow. Quite a bit of cloud around early on, but that will break up really quite quickly through the morning. And a fine-looking day, really, for us tomorrow. It stays dry for most, just the small chance of a shower through the day tomorrow, but a lot of sunshine around. The winds will be lighter and temperatures a bit warmer, up to 22 degrees. Now, we continue with that trend on Wednesday morning, a dry and a bright start, but we'll see more cloud pushing in on Wednesday. Staying dry, though, and staying warm as well. Blip, perhaps, on Thursday with a bit of rain, but otherwise not bad.
You didn't have to tell us that, but it was going so well, wasn't it? That's all from us for this evening. You can join Emily for our next update at 10:30. From me, bye-bye.